streets.
Yes, my name is Nicholi Hylton, aka Blublu. Blublu. First year college, you know, probably around 9 years ago. Yeah, about around 9 years ago. Who? I wouldn't say who, you know. I would say what. So, from past couple of weeks, it's been a B series versus a K series type of thing. So, to be honest, I only have one B series rival, which is my good friend Russ Built. And then the competitive K series will be my next rival, not the common Ks. Talking about the capital Ks, of course. So, yeah, so K series and one B series will be my rival. Oh, I don't want to get into that anymore. I don't want to call no names, don't want to hurt no feelings. But the 31st, you have to be there to see who I will kill, who has a K series in their shell. Alright, well, 89 CRX. I went CRX because lighter chassis. I mean, less effort, less work to get down the time. I had the EG, which was a blessing, you know, but went a lighter shell to get down the time. So it's a 89 CRX, not much to it. Tire power wheels, you know, kind of rusty on the inside, but it's very straight. But looks coming soon. Alright, the first drag rivals I went to, took me 6 days to actually get this car ready, from like build up engine, put it in, tune. Damn! No, biggest challenge was time. As I'm a last minute person, but it's not my fault, I'm very busy. And the mechanic, which is Rasta, also, you know, a lot of work on his hands, so I have to work with his time, but he always make time for me. Okay, so all moto, I recently did a personal best of 11.7 coming from 12.4, and well, yeah, that's it. Because can I say nitrous versus my all motor time? So my best nitrous time so far is 11.5 and my best all motor time is 11.7. And every meet that I go to, I lower my time. So 31st, I like to see that time that I'm going to run. Drag season, well, the fastest B series all motor and the fastest 4-cylinder nitrous car without a turbo, of course. I mean, we're right there. We're right there. First and foremost, I have to thank Russ Built. A lot of persons don't know him. I call him Marlon or / Prentice. His real name is Marlon. Give a shout out to him because, you know, he was the one who kind of tell me, you know, to go Honda, don't go Nissan. I wanted to buy a Nissan for my first car, and, you know, he bad me up and say, what am I doing with a Nissan? I'll buy a Honda. Second of all, Honda tree, you know, those guys are party daily. Nice set of people. I mean, never a dull moment around them.
Honda tree!
I mean, big up the whole drag rivals, you know, community. Everybody who is going to partake in the drag event, who's going to spectate. It's always a nice environment. I always enjoy it. I enjoy it more than Vernon Field. Okay, so March 31st, I think it's going to be the biggest drag meet we have ever seen. A lot of clashing, a lot of bashing, you know, racers. The competitiveness is very high, you know. So I mean, just come out and take in the festivities. I mean, it's going to be. I mean, if you're spectating, I think spectators have more fun than the racers because spectators only losing money, and in a way, in our bragging rights, racers lose an engine. I mean, our life, their entertainment. All right, my brother used to own an Evo, right? And I'm not saying this to actually put a bad image or a bad view on Evolutions, but when my brother owned an Evo, I drove it mostly and it was a nightmare. Right? Too expensive. I don't want to say easily to get damaged or whatever, but Evolution are for persons who are very wealthy.
Really rich.
Nissan now. Alright. Parts are very expensive for Nissan. Honda, as the people say, cheap speed. You can walk to the supermarket, pick up parts, as they would mostly say. But Honda is just, to me, based on what I've seen Rasta been doing over the years, a very easy motor to work on. Right? Doesn't take much for a Honda to go fast. Quoted from the Great Spaceship. All you need is one B20 and a nitrous kit. Okay, me and Hansman have to settle this thing, you know. Right, but Hansman is a B-series one. Me and Hansman have to settle this thing. Okay, the name will stick. Yeah. Blublu for sure. But this car, I'm gonna do a makeover. So definitely you're going to see the same color on this car. Alright, you know how I do my thing. Clean, fast. Yeah, so a makeover, change of color for sure. Right after this drag meet. Good evening. Alright, you tell me who been calling out my name and I'll address each one. You're a slick man, you know. But anyway, let's get to the question. What you say now? Yes, so big up Kenty Racing Team for putting on, you know, extraordinary event 4 to 5 times for the year. I mean, they brought back life to this drag racing, you know, community, and you know, so thumbs up to them. If you want to follow me, to follow the bill on this car. On my IG page, it's Blublu_JA. Right? Simple. Blublu_JA. You know the Blublu is spelled BLU_JA. That's where you follow me. Yes, March 31st. Be there, don't miss it. Come and witness. Records been broken, engines been blown up, and best part about it, the gambling.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.